Hello, my name is Little Dragon Lotus, and today I'll be teaching you how to make your first model, a table. This will be your first model that you're going to make if you are subscribed to me, or if you are watching my Blender lessons. So first, you want to start out with a new session of Blender. Okay, and just size the table up by clicking S. And you can size it down by axis by clicking SY or SX. Okay, so now we have that. You need to make the Z-axis a little thinner. Table shouldn't look like that from the side. So you click S, Z, make it thinner. Okay, so here we have the surface of the table. Okay. So what you want to do is move it up by pressing G, Z. Next, you would want to insert a new object by clicking spacebar. Add mesh cube and size that down to make a leg. And just move this leg to the bottom of the surface right here that you created. Now just double check by from all angles to make sure that it's on that corner. Okay, so just press Z, wireframe. Okay. Okay, so now click 7, which is the top view, and align this to the corner right here. Now check it from all views. 3. Looks like it went through a little. So what you want to do would be G and then Z. So there we go, your first leg. Now continue to copy and paste this by clicking, you would click Control D for duplicate. And it should duplicate right here. Oh, my bad. It's Shift D for duplicate. Okay, so now you have another leg. So you would want to move that all the way in this corner here. And keep duplicating until you have all 4 legs right here. Click Z to view it. Make it back into solid, and here we have your table. Now you can just make chairs by adding the cube and doing the same thing, except that you should put like a square on a cube on the back, shape it so then you have a back for the chair, and that's how you make it. To add color to it, go to this ball right here, and you should click link to object, add new, and then this should pop up. Click color right here. Now you should choose your color. I would like a cherry wood. Okay, so there we go. If you want to color everything at once, just click A, and everything should pop highlight like this, and just color it. Now when you color for the other feet, you should left click select it, and when you're on links and pipeline, you click this down arrow. You already have this material, this color, so you can use this material right here, and just do it for all the legs. Okay, so there we go, your own table. And remember to save it, file save, Control W also, which is because Control S, if you would do that, that's also, you could do that, but sometimes Blender won't save it, so just click Control W or file save, and just save it on your file, name it, click save as. There you go, your table.